truck looks so good, you guys. Alright, approach angle is great. And there we are, we're stuck now. Alright, let's try second gear here, see if we can climb up this. And we're hung up. Alright, let's try that again. Might have to pick another way to go through here. One thing I gotta say is that the servo is really... There we go. So one thing I gotta say is that the servo tipped over. So one thing I gotta say is that the servo on this thing is quick, and we're stuck back again. All right, here we go. Now the tires, even though these rocks are wet, the tires are not doing that bad. There we go. The breakover angle on this thing, of course, it doesn't have portals, but the breakover angle on this isn't bad at all. Going back up this way. This line is always a difficult one. I gotta, come on. Straddle those two. There you go. There you go. Oh, and she's over. Let's try that one again. See what happens. Ah, there we go. Nope, that's not the line. So tires don't have films in it, and even though these rocks are all wet, it doesn't seem like the tires are doing too bad. But oh, we gonna make it? Are we gonna make it? No. Hold on, back up a little bit. Okay. Alright. It made it up there. Alright, now this is another. Come on. There you go. This is definitely a you gotta pick the right line for this little guy. If not, you're going to go over like that. All right, let's try that one again. Here we go. All right. I think there we're going to get caught right. Oh, maybe not. Okay.